everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm gonna show you how I created this glamorous blue sequin eye makeup look. So it's actually kind of like a smoky eye, but I just popped some of these chunky glitters on the center of my eyelid, which makes it obviously really glamorous. So I know it's not like your typical everyday go to work makeup look, but hopefully this will give some inspiration for like a special occasion. So the first color I'm going in with is this one right here. I'm gonna make sure to put all the colors I'm using today in the description bar. I believe this one is by MakeupbyMario, and I don't know if you guys have heard the news, but MakeupbyMario is quitting. I believe as of the end of this month, if I'm not mistaken. They have a huge sale going on their website, so if you want to buy any of their eyeshadows, check out their website because they will be gone forever. And to be honest, I'm really sad because it just brings up so much memories. These were like the first eyeshadows I've ever used in my life when it comes to like my makeup career. I used to use MakeupbyMario all the time, and I have all their eyeshadows. I have like these super big Z palettes filled with MakeupbyMario eyeshadows. So I'm honestly really sad that they're quitting because their quality is super good. But yeah, I'm just really sad about that. But in this video I used them because I didn't know that they were quitting. But yeah, I will make sure to put the names in the description bar, and if you do want to purchase any of their products before they're gone forever, I would really recommend their foiled eyeshadows if they still have them. Especially those super like shimmery eyeshadows, they're super amazing quality, so definitely check them out if you are searching for some really good eyeshadows. So I just popped those two shades all the way in my crease, then I went in with the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, which is my favorite gel eyeliner. And I'm gonna apply them all over the eyelid using a synthetic blending brush. Now I'm sorry that I haven't really posted a lot of videos this week. I actually haven't uploaded a new video all week, last week I think. I was sick, as I mentioned in my previous video. And normally when I'm sick, I'm only sick for like 1 or 2 days. And now I'm actually still sick, but it has already been a week. And I'm like a little bit shocked that it takes so long, but I can't wait to feel better, to start filming new videos. I'm just so excited. I feel like always when you're sick, you just feel like how much appreciated you are for not being sick, if that makes sense. I just feel like I should have been more grateful. I'm just constantly thinking about working out and do all the stuff that I didn't do before, even though I could do it, but now I can't and I want to do it, if that makes sense. It's so annoying. Like, I just hope to be better soon. I did finally, today was like the first day that I finally started feeling a little bit better, so I took the time to just clean my whole makeup room, so I'm ready to start filming new videos in a clean workspace, which already feels so good. I can't wait for you guys to see, I don't know what to see. I can't wait for you guys to watch my new videos, because I'm actually planning to film a lot more full face videos. Oh, my phone was going off like Siri. But yeah, I'm really excited to start filming more full face videos for you guys. So if you have any suggestions on what you want me to do, let me know what kind of full face makeup looks you want to see. And yeah, now I'm just talking too much, so I will just focus on what I'm doing in this video right now. So I used the gel eyeliner all over my eyelid, and then I used a black eyeshadow. I wasn't showing it in the video, but I used a black eyeshadow and blended that around the edges. And actually how it's looking right now, it's like the perfect base for a smoky eye. You could also like just leave it as it is right now and go to the lower lash line, and you have like a perfect blended smoky eye. I do have a separate video where I go a little bit more in depth on how to create the perfect smoky eye, but it's kind of the same as I'm doing right here. I really like to use like a black gel eyeliner as a base all over my eyelids, and then around the edges use some black eyeshadow to make it look more soft. But I feel like gel eyeliner just gives you the most black finish on the eyelid. It just looks super black and smoky, which I really like. So I just continue to blend, and this is how it's looking so far. I feel like the blend looks super nice. But definitely check out my video, as I told you. I will link it in the description bar if you want a little bit more tips on how to create the perfect smoky eye. So now I'm going in with this blue shade, and I'm going to use my finger to apply this in the center of my eyelid. I wanted to use those blue chunky glitters today, so I was kind of searching for a similar eyeshadow color that I could use underneath that. I couldn't really find like the perfect color, but this one was like as close as possible, so I used this in the center and I just kind of tapped it on the eyelid using my finger. Then after this, I went in with a liquid eyeshadow, which is by Stila. I'm not sure if it's still available because I believe it was a limited edition, but if it's still there, it's super pretty. So if you love kind of like a blue, if you love blue eyeshadow in general, I will definitely recommend, because if you don't know yet, the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows are one of my favorite ride or die products. They're so good, so I would definitely recommend. So I used that with a brush and kind of like tapping it all over the eyelid, and I'm just going with this really slow because I really want to take my time to blend it out. I'm just applying little by little and focusing mainly on the center of the eyelid. That's where I kind of want the pop to be of the blue, but also I want to apply the chunky glitters mainly in the center. So that's kind of why I also focus with this product in the center. Now you may wonder, why am I using these colors like underneath the chunky glitters? Can you not just go in with the glitter after, like after I use the black eyeshadow? I feel like I think I've mentioned this before, but if you use a shimmery, glittery kind of substance or finish underneath glitters, it's gonna make the glitters melt better into the eyeshadow underneath. I don't know, maybe I should just show you guys the difference in a video, because the difference is huge. I feel like it just looks so much better, like if you use a blue glitter to use a blue shimmery eyeshadow underneath. Just try it and you will see that it just looks so much prettier. It just blends in the eyeshadow more. And if I would use the chunky glitter or any glitter, not specifically chunky glitter but glitter in general, if I would apply it just on black eyeshadow matte, I don't know, you would see the matte black eyeshadow in between the glitter and it will just not look really nicely integrated. I don't know how to explain, but hopefully it makes sense. So that's the reason why I use the colors underneath. But yeah, of course I'm kind of covering it up, so but it definitely is necessary to do it. Trust me. So now I went in with a dark gray eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line using a flat definer brush from Sigma. I have a special discount code for all Sigma Beauty products and brushes, which I will link down in the description bar. I love Sigma brushes. I feel like they're personally the best brushes out there. Also, the quality is amazing. You also have, I'm not sure if it's for all their brushes, but they have a 2-year warranty on, I believe, some of their brushes. If not all of them, I'm not quite sure. But the quality is just amazing. You buy them once and they will last you a lifetime. Honestly, I still have my first Sigma E40 brush. I still have it and it's still amazing. The quality is just really good, so I would definitely recommend these brushes and I use them in all my videos. So then I used a lighter grayish shade that I used for my crease, basically the same colors as I used for my crease, and I used them for the lower lash line as well. So just blending, and then I went in with this black pencil from MakeupbyMario, which is my current favorite black pencil. It's super good. What a nice, more affordable alternative would be is from Barry M. I'm not quite sure what the name is, but they have like the bold waterproof pencil in black and is really good as well. Or the black pencil from Rimmel London. That one is really nice as well. So now I'm gonna go in with this. It's actually an eyeliner and a lash glue in one. It's from the brand Shein. And, well, not Shein, it's SheGlam. You know, Shein has their own beauty brand, so it's called SheGlam actually. But this is an eyeliner with lash glue in one. So basically you apply the lash glue as an eyeliner and it's sticky, so you can directly apply your lash on top of it, which is genius in my opinion. And I've used similar products before, but they wouldn't really work. So this one actually does work. So I wanted to use that for today's video. and you will probably see me using it more often because it's just super easy. So I just applied the eyeliner and then I went in with some mascara, and then after applying the mascara I'm gonna apply a tiny coat again on top of that eyeliner line to make it more sticky again, and then directly after that I will apply these lashes. So I went in with the Sigma Beauty Bedroom Eyes lashes, and just right after that I applied them, and that's also the last step of today's eye look. So I know, like I said, this is not really your everyday typical go to work makeup look. I know, but I just wanted to do something more glamorous since a lot of my videos have been quite on the soft side lately. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, and don't hesitate to let me know in the comments what you want to see next. I would love to hear some like suggestions on what specific makeup looks you want to see. What kind of colors do you want me to use? Also feel free to send me DMs with looks you want me to recreate. I would love to see some inspiration from you guys. So yeah, this is the finished result. I hope you like it. Don't forget to give it a video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that.